Assalamualaikum everybody, this is my 73rd algorithm video. In this task we would convert a string into its corresponding numerical representation on an old mobile phone keypad. This is a common problem where each letter maps to a specific number similar to old mobile phone keypads. Let me show you an old mobile phone keypad. In the past, the keypads used to be like this. Each number had letters associated with it. So for this purpose I have created a dictionary. Each key is a lowercase alphabet and the value is the number that is associated with it. Now I would create a string for it. So the first question is, the given string is geeks for geeks. Then I would create a blank string that would contain the number. I would name this as number string. Now for character in string, if character is uppercase, we need to convert it into lowercase. So number string is equal to number string plus, since the values that are associated in the dictionary are integer, we need to convert it into string. So str, we would look into the dictionary dict elf number character dot lower. We convert the uppercase letters into lower by using the lower function. Else, if the characters are already lowercase, then we concatenate the numbers in the string without converting them into lowercase. Now let's print the number. So the number associated with the string geeks for geeks is 433577367433357. Let me explain. For example, the letter G had the number 4, E had number 3, S for example had the number 7. So this is our answer. Now let's change the string to include some uppercase letters. Geeks quiz. Now there are two uppercase letters G and Q. Let's click play. So this is our answer. We have converted G and Q into lowercase alphabet, and we have successfully converted the string into its numerical representation. I hope you liked my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.